Refreshing. Yeah, it's playing, huh? Hi guys! Welcome to my channel! Nandito kami sa camping area, nag-relax-relax. Nakatingin sa tubig na umaagos. At saka mayroong dito, maganda siya kasi green ang paligid. Green. The nature is really green. Ang maririnig mo lang yung inagos ng tubig. Also, pati yung mga horse guys, nag-enjoy sila. Nag-enjoy sila sa water. Naiinitan na yata sila kasi sila naglalaro sa water. Nakakatuwa tingnan. Yung tubig dito sa amin malinis, kaya okay lang pag dyan sila umiinom sa river. River yan. Tapos galing yan sila namasyal habang nakasakay ng horse. Tapos dumaan dyan, uminom at naglaro yung kabayo. Siyempre, masaya tingnan. Nakakita ng ganyan, natutuwa din sila. Refreshing. Yeah, it's playing, huh? Hello guys! Magandang araw, magandang gabi. Nandito kami ngayon sa camping area ng Luxembourg sa province countryside. Nice. The water is nice. The river, look. Nice. Nice water. And if you have no big camping house, you can bring your tent. That is the tent. There, small tent. There, you can put there and then you sleep there. Few nights sleeping there. Matulog kayo dyan. Matulog sila dyan. Hindi kami matulog dyan. Pero maganda siya. Adventure. Matulog ka dyan sa camping. And then I like the noise, the sounds of the water. Sounds of the water there. And the bird. It's very peaceful. If you like to relax and see the nature, you can go here and stay few days and going around there. Going around to the forest and walking forest there. Forest area. And that's water. Nice. Sa bukid. Dito sa aming lugar, ganito, bukid. Pero, masaya naman, tahimik. I love nature. I really love nature. Ay, across here. Basa. Utawak. Patay, unlod akong kwatot. So Wilfred is there. And then,
Water is crazy. Like last year,
oh,
they can detach the bolts of the bridge and they can lift it 1.5 meters.
ah, so that's why they have a wire,
Yeah, the cable.
cable. But it's nice, huh? It's nice there, huh? On our walk. Ah, I thought they have restaurant here.
Not here.
Moment, I want to see the bridge here. Look at that. The bridge going to the camping and the water. Right in it, and the house is there. That's the camping, and it's really big camping area. Only camping here is like a house na. Some people there fishing. Tayo nag-walking dito. Fishing. Water. Nice. It's very nice. Someone fishing here. Na. Bye-bye. Tahimik sa mong lugar. At ay bukid. Kung gusto mong maghanap ng lugar na tahimik, na ibon lang yung maririnig mo, dito sa amin. Ha?
People are coming to catch fish.
Even the water is not deep? Huh? They have...
They are coming around the bridge.
You see that one? Oh, it's like a house na, oh.
It's a bungalow.
Huh?
They
Yeah.
call it a bungalow.
Oh, yeah, but nice. Why? And it's not like the Carabao Wilfred that they can going down.
Horse can swim, eh?
Hmm?
Horse can swim, eh?